Important note, Provident Bank, with a website linked to Google, appears to have partnered with Elan Financial Services for their credit card offerings. Therefore, you will likely be applying for a Provident Bank branded credit card issued and serviced by Elan. Here are the general steps. 1. Explore credit card options. Visit the Provident Bank website, link to Google, and navigate to the Credit Cards section under Personal Services or Business Planning. Review the different credit card options available. They typically offer various cards for consumers and businesses with different features like rewards, low rates, and balance transfer options. Consider which card best suits your needs and spending habits. 2. Find the Apply Now link. Once you've chosen a card, look for a button or link that says Apply Now, Learn More and Apply, or similar. 3. You will likely be redirected to Elan Financial Services. Clicking the Apply Now button on the Provident Bank website will likely redirect you to a secure online application portal hosted by Elan Financial Services. This is where you will complete the actual application. 4. Complete the online application. Fill out all the required fields in the application form accurately and completely. This will typically include personal information, your full name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact information, employment and income information, details about your current employment, income, and other financial information, housing information, whether you own or rent your home, and your monthly housing payment. 5. Review and submit. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure it is correct. Read the terms and conditions of the credit card agreement provided by Elan Financial Services. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button to send your application. 6. Wait for a decision. Elan Financial Services will process your application. You may receive a decision online immediately in some cases. However, it can sometimes take a few days or weeks to receive a decision via mail or email. Important considerations. Eligibility. Credit card approval depends on various factors, including your credit history, income, and other financial information. Terms and fees. Carefully review the annual percentage rate, April, annual fees, if any, and other fees associated with the card before applying. This information will be provided by Elan Financial Services during the application process. Security. Ensure you are applying through a secure website. Look for in the address bar. In summary, to apply for a Provident Bank USA credit card, you will likely start on the Provident Bank website, choose a card, and then be directed to Elan Financial Services' secure online application portal to complete and submit your application. If you have any specific questions or prefer to apply in person, you can visit a Provident Bank branch for assistance, although they will likely guide you to the online application.